Hi, this is Alannah with the Coding Clubhouse, here with...
Hello, I'm François Conti from forcedimension.
What's your job at forcedimension?
I actually co-founded the company and I work on the design of haptic devices.
Cool. So what does forcedimension do?
We design force feedback devices that allow to introduce the sense of touch in 3D applications.
How do you introduce the sense of touch?
Each device actually has small little motors that can actually create forces in your hand. And so it's basically like a 3D mouse. We can track position and you move a cursor on a computer screen and we compute small interaction forces as you touch, move along the surfaces of the objects that you encounter. And so we compute those forces and send them to the haptic device. And if you do this fast enough, you create the illusion as if you're touching an object with your hands.
Cool. So, are you the first people to be doing this?
The work was actually pioneered goes all the way back to the 50s when people were building kind of very simple robots and try to actually operate them manually. And so over the years, people have came up with different solutions. Back in the 90s, there were some first products coming out. These are really the first consumable products that have reached a level where they have been used in gaming applications all the way up to surgical applications. And today, surgeons use them to operate on real patients.
Cool. So, are you the only people doing this?
Right now, we would say from gaming all the way up to medical applications, we're the only ones. There are other people developing applications, larger devices for other types of applications, yes, there are some.
So, is this for sale?
These devices are for sale.
How much do they cost?
The price ranges from around $150 for a consumable product for games, all the way up to $100,000 for a medical device.
Cool. So, what's your target audience?
Whole broad spectrum. So, well, today it's people like you who want to maybe use those devices to interact with their computers, to maybe connect them to a 3D printer to be able to kind of design, in a very instinctive way, objects. And sometimes I'm talking to surgeons who want to operate with robots in very kind of minimal invasive conditions.
Cool. Is there anything else you want to say?
Well, nice to meet you. And who are you working with? Or what do you?
The Coding Clubhouse.
Okay. What do you guys do?
We're inspiring kids to code.
Wonderful.
Well, that's all from me. Bye.